Good morning! We arrived in Colombo quite late last night and we are ready to start our adventure.
In Sri Lanka.
We are off to the train station in a moment. We're just going to go have breakfast first and then we are catching the train to Hatton. I cannot wait. I want to do this train journey for so long. Are you excited?
It's going to be a really good train journey.
Can't wait. So we're staying at Stuart by the Circus in Colombo and the downstairs area is beautiful. Also, you can't beat a hotel breakfast buffet. JP, we've made it onto the train.
We've made it. We found the right platform and the right carriage. We hope. We're going the wrong way.
We have these tickets that we pre-ordered online before we came. It's got reserved seating, so they've just shown us to the right seats.
I am perfect just like you. In every way, yes it's true. I'm perfect just like you.
Hi. Hello. Been on the train a while now. Left Candy a short while ago and we're on the way to Hatton. I think the views are about to get good.
Listen, I can do almost anything. I'm amazing. I can fly forward and sing.
We have made it to our first stop in the hill country. We arrived about 5 minutes ago and they've already served us tea. Is that all you've got to add? So we have come to Norwood Tea Factory to see what a tea plantation is like. I don't know what to expect.
Over there is a massive factory which looks like something from Wallace and Gromit. These incredible machines, and we're about to go inside and see how all that tea that is so delicious is made.
Feels like we've gone somewhere really local. There's no other tourists here, no big tour groups, so I'm sure what's going to happen.
That means what is this doing?
Stronger.
Yeah,
This is medium stronger.
Oh, yeah, too strong for me. Too strong. Just visited the tea plantation over there, Norwood Estate, and you can see all of the tea plants. Standing here making JP take all the pictures of me in a tea plantation. The views are just incredible.
Here we are on our first proper night in Sri Lanka in this amazing colonial hotel. And we've just been served the most delicious dish, an array of curries and local dishes and some spicy chili things and some crackers, and it looks amazing.
Can't wait. Good morning! We are in Norwood near Hatton this morning.
How do you say hello in Sri Lankan?
No idea, and it's not Sri Lankan.
Okay, I don't know either.
Two different languages.
Hello!
We've woken up to the most gorgeous hill views and we are staying in a place called the Royal Majesty
Bungalow.
That's it, thanks. So I'll just show you what our room looks like because it's really, really cool, really colonial. That's where we slept last night. And then in here, a huge bathroom. Bath. And those gorgeous views I was talking about. Just look at that. JP, what's the plan for today?
We're going to walk through the hills and then we're going to head into town. Back to where are we going back to get the train?
Hatton.
Hatton, and then we're going to get the train for about 5 hours again through cooler temperatures today, hopefully because we're up in the hills, and then we're going to end up in Ella. How you doing?
Good. views are amazing. A little bit out of breath though. Pretty cool place to have a church.
Here we are on a train in Sri Lanka, literally hanging out of it. We're literally hanging out on a train. We're hanging out of a train. We're at Hatton station, about 20 minutes outside of Ella. No, outside of, where were we? Hatton. And we're heading towards Ella, heading deeper into the hills. It's this beautiful, beautiful country. On some of the most amazing railways you'll ever see. And we're about to take off again, so time to hold on. How you doing, Joe? What are you doing?
Trying to work out the price of cocktails.
And where are we?
We're in Ella, in Sri Lanka, and it's like £3 a cocktail. In Dubai, they're like £13. It's not fair.
So you could effectively get 4 for the price of 1.
Pretty much. I have a good night.
It is going to be a good night. So here we're sort of in the trees, one level up, overlooking the street. We've just arrived. It's called 360, it's pretty cool, there's some sport on. We're probably going to get some food. It's got a really nice kind of backpackery vibe. It could be like Thailand. And it looks pretty fun.
Live music's about to begin, but I'll just try and get this in quickly. It is dinner time. What have we got, Jodie?
The pork chops and non-pork chops. They're spectacular.
And I have got myself a typical Sri Lankan curry wrapped up in a banana. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, this is good.
Wow, what
Here we go. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Ella.
We are here deep in the rainforest. We've got the biggest of mountains behind us over there and just beautiful greenery everywhere you look. It's kind of cool. There's a kind of backpacker vibe. We went out last night and we were very sensible and we definitely didn't have too much to drink.
Yeah, definitely very sensible. Beautiful views here, so we think that is Ella Rock over there, which we do not plan to climb, but we're going to climb. You can't see it from here. We're going to climb Little Adams Peak instead, hopefully tomorrow.
And I'm not entirely sure that it's just a man with a horn who's just put in. That's the best shot of him yet. I can see him eating. His mouth opening and closing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Maybe the most over top watermelon juice ever. Looks amazing. How's your... Oh, you're very zoomed in. How's your mango juice?
Wonderful! We've come out of Ella on the most amazing little tuk-tuk trip through windy roads around the grandest of valleys. It's so green and lush, and then suddenly there's this epic waterfall to come to. And we're about to dive in. Are you excited? We're diving in. Is it cold? Ready, man! minty.
Amazing.
Delicious.
We are just hiking down to the Nine Arches Bridge in Ella. We caught a tuk-tuk out of the town, and then he's just dropped us off at a cafe at the top which has got really amazing viewpoints, and we're now on a very steep track down to this beauty.
Been to the Nine Arches, we've walked across it, we've hung off it, we've gone down into the tea plantations below it and got the cool shots.
Yeah,
looking across
a lot of photos, didn't they?
They're good photos, and with the magic of editing, here they are, all over the screen or something. And now we're walking along the rail tracks, and we're going to walk all the way back up the hill to look at the train as it comes below us.
Just wandering back up, and I've spotted fire out there in the hill.
Oh yeah, it's probably fire.
Made it to the top.
A little bit out of breath.
Very out of breath. Very sweaty. Very hot.
But we did it.
But we did it. Very glad that he brought us to a cafe. So we're going to get a drink and calm down and maybe see a train. Nice and early in Ella. We are off to Little Adams
Peak.
this morning. We have just taken a tuk-tuk out of Ella town up to 98 acres, and we've picked up the trail for, they're calling it Mini Adams Peak. So I'm presuming it's, oh, you can't really see it through the trees, but I'm presuming
Still
it's
looks pretty big.
Here. Still looks
stunning.
lovely.
The light is incredible. What time is it? 7 AM?
Yeah, 7 AM.
And it is absolutely worth getting up at this time. It
Some
just looks
incredible views to show you guys. Just hanging out here ready to climb Mini Adams Peak, and we've got some music going on.
How you getting on, Joe?
Good. So over there is 98 acre resort and spa, and it's a very sought after place, very expensive. You have to book up in months. Kind of wish I'd been that organised now.
Which way are we going?
May, which way do we go?
Take a pick.
That was too steep. Amazing scene.
Hell of a scary drop.
Oh, potentially, that's where the waterfall starts over there. Oh wow, come here. Worth coming over here just for that view.
That's amazing. Hello, welcome to a secret spot that I found. It's the best spot. There's no one else here. There's people over there and people over here. But this bit we've got to ourselves, and you get the full view of the valley. See the road circumnavigating the mountain of Ella Rock, and there's like a little safety ledge here and some safety bushes, so it's okay as long as you're careful. Look, it's a little ledge on a little ledge. Hi Joe.
Hi, what are you doing my photo now?